Hello everyone, welcome back to our Basics of Accounting with ACCU360 ERP series. Today we will learn about Chart of Accounts in ACCU360 ERP. Chart of Accounts is a comprehensive list of all the accounts used by our business to record all the financial transactions. First of all, let's understand how to navigate to the existing chart of accounts of the company. Go to the Accounting module, then click Accounting Masters and then click on Chart of Accounts. Here we can find all the accounts created by our company in a list view. Open any account and click on the Chart of Accounts to open it in the tree view. Now let's go back to home by clicking on this AQ360 icon in the corner. We can also access it through a simple process by pressing Ctrl G or navigating it through the cursor. Here search Chart of Accounts and click on Open Chart of Accounts. Here we can find all the accounts in a tree view. In AQ360 ERP, every major category is known as the parent and every subcategory is known as a child. Let's understand this with the help of a diagram. In this diagram, we can see that at level 0, there is only one folder which is our main category, let's say asset. Then on next level, we have another folder which is the subcategory of asset, that is current asset. In the current asset folder, we have another subcategory of cash in hand and current investments. And finally, the classification of cash in hand into two segments, cash and petty cash. So we can conclude that at level 0, we can see the parent asset. At level 1, the parent is current asset. At level 2, the parent is cash in hand as well as a child current investments. At level 3, we have only two child, which is cash and petty cash. AQ360 ERP provides us with the flexibility to create n number of levels of including parents and child to manage our organization effectively and efficiently. Let's see how it looks like practically in the software itself. Here we can find four major categories, that is four parents, which are assets, liabilities, income and expense at level 0. To view the subcategories, or we can say the child, click on the parent and we can see all the childs under one single parent. Further, every parent is represented with a folder icon in front. Now let's open the assets. Here we can see there are four more parent child, which are current assets, fixed assets, inventories and temporary accounts at level 1. Let's open current assets to view the child accounts in it. Here we can see 7 parent at level 2. Now let's open the account receivable parent to see how many child it have. There is only one child, which is debtor. This is how the structure of account work. A major category, then subcategory, then further subclassifications. But we won't be opening each layer one by one, right? So to view the entire structure of accounts in a glimpse, just click on the expand all button. Now each and every parent folder is open and we can see the end of each parent folder. As we understood how this tree structure works, let's jump on how to create both parent and child. Let's say we have to add another account, which is bills receivable account, in accounts receivables. So we just have to click on the accounts receivables, then click on add child and name it as bills receivable. And then we will click on create new. A new ledger of bills receivable is created. Now to delete this ledger we have to click on the bills receivable, then we have to click on delete and give the confirmation on yes. Here the bills receivable has been deleted. We just have to reload the site and click on expand all again, and we can see the bills receivable has been deleted. Whenever we make any significant changes in the settings of ACCU360 ERP, it is always advisable to reload the ACCU360 ERP so that all the caches related to that setting would also get cleared. Now let's say our organization have various cache impressed. Let's say impressed A, impressed B, impressed C and impressed D, and you want to create a parent group for all of them where all the cash interest could be added under cash in hand. So here we have to click on cash in hand, then we have to click on add child, and then we will name the child as cash impressed. And check this box is group and then click on create new. Here you can see that the cash impressed parent account has been created. Now click on cash impressed, click add child, name it impressed A. But this time do not click on is group option, because this time we do not need a group, we need a ledger with name impressed A, and then click on create new. Likewise we will add impressed B, C and D also. Now as we can see we have added the wrong spelling of impress C. To correct it we have to click on impress C and then click on edit. Here all configuration of this account has opened. Now let's click on update account name and number and then correct the spelling. Then click on update and then finally click on the right tick in the corner. There, our ledger name has been modified. Now let's suppose Impress C should not be a child, rather it should be a parent. Then click on non-group to group button and click on the right tick. Click on the chart of accounts and here you can see Impress C has become apparent. Let's go back to the home page by clicking on the ACCU360 in the corner. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Stay tuned with our Basics of Accounting with ACCU360 ERP series to learn more about the basic setup of your ACCU360 ERP to improve the efficiency of your organization. Thanks a lot for watching.